everybody out there, and welcome to SparkBC Hot Topics. I am so happy to be back with you this week, bringing to you one of our SparkBC experts, Dave Shavalier. Dave's out in Chilliwack. How's it going, Dave?
Really good. Nice sunny day here. Erin, how about you?
Oh, not too bad, not too bad. Last week of summer before school holidays. I'm sure a lot of our viewers out there can relate to the joys of sending your kid back to school or kids. In my case, I've got 4 in all sorts of grades, so I am looking forward to that. Yeah, so that's that's where I'm at. So we have a hot topic for everybody today relating to section 62. Is that correct, Dave?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Okay, well, let me throw up the photos that we have here for you and or for our viewers, and take a look. All right, what can you tell me about this photo here? We're looking at installation of heating devices, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, this is one of Ted Gilbert's photos. He has a lot of good photos that we use. Ted couldn't be with us today. So we'll talk about section 62, installation of heating devices. So anytime that you're putting together a piece of electrical equipment, installing a piece of electrical equipment, you always have to look at, for anything you do, the manufacturer's technical instructions, because the manufacturer is the expert on the piece of equipment that he or she designed and built. So they know best how it goes together. So in this case, that's what Rule 62.104 says, is that you've got to assemble it and install it in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and the applicable rules of the code. So we have up at the top of the photo a 4-inch square box with a mud ring, so they can drywall right over that and put the connections and the thermostat in there. And then a piece of liquid tight flexible conduit going down to the floor. So if we have a look at the next photo, how it carries on, then we see the liquid type just terminated on the base plate, a 2x4. And really, we could get that down further yet. The closer you get it towards the floor, when somebody puts the heating cables in and the tile, if there's any, you have to worry about it being mechanically damaged, and you have to worry about it being able to be replaced later. So the closer you can get it to the floor, the better you are. Maybe even better to notch out that piece of base plate to get it down. But the code does allow, and Erin will show us the rule 62.128, subrule 4 allows us, the raceway shall be permitted to terminate no more than 50 millimeters, so 2 inches, where the non-heating leads are connected within a wooden base plate and effectively protected from mechanical damage. So that was the whole intent of that photo, is to allow them to get down there. And the guy put a piece of strapping as a strap. Some safety officers may not like that, but if you have a good relationship with yours, you probably, would ask them if that was okay. But all you're doing is stopping it from moving, right? It's going inside the wall, probably not a big deal. So get it down as close to the floor as you can, and that's the non-heating leads. So then the tilers can come in and hopefully not plug that raceway up. So I don't think there's any more questions, Erin. So I think we've probably explained it as best we can.
Awesome. Well, it's always good to throw out a quick tip there to our viewers. So thanks for chiming in today, Dave. It's always good to see you. And for anybody that has questions, please contact us either in the comments or at info@sparkbc.ca. And come see us at www.sparkbc.ca, especially if you still need to get your FSR designation renewed. We have a short course there that qualifies for the Technical Safety BC renewal. So pop in and ask us any questions if you have them, or just go directly to our website. Thanks, Dave.
Thanks, Aaron. Great job.
Yeah, catch you next time. Bye.
You bet. Bye.